Well, no. I have another question, but in the first part we answered. So,
Okay. So does that feel like that's it? Nothing else you want to explore?
well, something about manifestation.
Sure.
Like I feel like I'm doing everything, and the things are just not manifesting.
Okay. And that's very, very, very common. So
Yeah,
what I talk about in my new book and a lot in the collective is the old approach to the law of attraction is trying to use the law of attraction to manifest this, that, or the other thing, right?
yeah,
That's why most people come to law of attraction. They want money, they want a job, they
yeah,
want a relationship, they want something. And the problem with trying to manifest something is when you're trying to manifest, you are putting out the vibration of that thing I want is not here,
yeah,
right? And
yeah,
oftentimes that's a piece of resistance. So what I recommend is instead of trying to manifest is focus on what I call the new paradigm. And the new paradigm is a state of being. It's a way of experiencing physical reality where you're having so much fun, you're experiencing so many synchronicities. Life is so magical that you're not caring about the manifestations anymore.
yeah,
And it's from that place and that energy where those manifestations really begin to show up. So I think the key for you to letting in those desires is the creativity that you just mentioned and the
yeah,
things that bring you excitement. Do those things as much as you can. Do those things for the pleasure of the activities, the pleasure of the journey. And from that place, I think you'll start to let some of those desires in.
yeah.
How does that sound?
Great.
Yeah. What's
Yeah.
the biggest desire at the top of your desires list?
For now, well, I want to travel, be free, but now because of the situation, that's not possible. To be free to explore the world, travel.
Good.
Yeah.
And that version of Gabriela that's experiencing that life, we'll call her 2.0 Gabriela.
Yes.
How does 2.0 Gabriela feel compared to the current version of Gabriela? What's the biggest difference between you and your 2.0?
It's careless. I think it's not so worrying about everything. It's more positive and
And how does she feel? What's the big emotion? Is it relief? Is it
yeah,
freedom?
freedom. Yeah,
Freedom.
yeah,
That's the set point that you want to practice as much as you can during your day. So like if you can go for a hike in the mountains, feel the freedom of being able to go for a hike in the mountains. If you go to a restaurant and have a glass of wine, feel the freedom that I can go to the restaurant and have a glass of wine. Anytime you can practice that feeling of freedom and relief, that's the sweet spot for you. Sound good?
yeah.
Awesome. Does that cover everything for today?
Yes, that's it.
Awesome. Great questions and thanks for playing with me.
Thank you, Nick.
Bye-bye.
Bye.